Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, quick as flash, Obaseki has responded to Oshiomole disqualifying him from the APC primary for the Edo State governorship. Guys, I bring you this. Breaking, Obaseki reacts to disqualification from APC primaries, reveals next move. So now Obaseki, of course, now not taking this lying down. I'm assuming I will discover in the course of this video, but the headline again, Obaseki reacts to disqualification from APC primaries, revealing his next move. So now let's now see what now move this guy is intending to make. Governor Godwin Obaseki has reacted to his disqualification from the state gubernatorial primaries by the ruling All Progressive Congress APC. In a statement issued recently, signed by his media aide Crusau Osage, Obaseki revealed that he would not be appealing the decision by the party. We have watched the mockery of democracy process which Comrade Adams Oshiomole is administering and superintending over our great party, the All Progressive Congress APC. It has been an unfortunate, disheartening, and dreadful spectacle. We had initially asserted that going by the open display and enthronement of illegality by one man in the party that compromises several organs and eminent personalities, there is no way that Governor Godwin Obaseki would get a fair assessment in the run-up to the nomination of candidates to fly the flag of the party in the forthcoming Edo gubernatorial election. It is unfortunate that this open show of shame, illegality, and travesty of justice is the brand of democracy which Comrade Oshiomole has reduced the APC into. The situation is quite saddening because this is a party reputed for change, equity, and social justice. We have therefore decided that it will be an effort in futility to appeal whatever the unjust outcome of the evaluation and screening process of the APC will be, especially when Comrade Oshiomole has declared that he is the Supreme Court and ultimate determiner of the fate and future of our great party. We wish Oshiomole well in his maladministration of the party and trust that the Almighty will help our country to find the path to true liberty, freedom, and justice, the statement reads. So, Organa Master effectively is what we are seeing playing out here. So, an abject surrender from Obaseki. I, for one, I have to say that I am disappointed because I was quite looking forward to somebody of Obaseki's intellectual capacity taking on somebody of Oshiomole's doggedness and street fight to now see who wins out. So this was a classic case of is the pen mightier than the sword scenario, but alas, the pen has dropped its ink and the sword, of course, has had sway. The pen being, of course, Obaseki, and the sword, of course, being the brutish, short little man from Edo State, Oshiomole. So Obaseki surrenders. It was a short fight and he just took one punch and he folded. Conversations in the comment section. The future of Edo State is what we are reflecting on here. Baba Sokpe, the Oshiomole stable is trying to establish the sort of a hierarchy that Tinubu has in Lagos State, where he would have decision over the entirety of that state till eternity or till he draws his last breath. And this is now what Obaseki has effectively considered to him now. So he has now created now a little mini monster within his own state by not at least putting up a fight against this Oshiomole character. I am disappointed. Are you? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this Godfatherism that pervades the Nigerian political space in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on within the comment section. But here, I say, peace.